welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm under the names of Morris, the Crochet Master. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. And buno buviri obulungi bulina kafuuka ku mutwe siganje enviri zo mpanvu naye obusiba mwatuno nyuma. Today we are going to be plating something. Since we're in the quarantine, I told you we're in the situation where we have to stay home, so but we have to keep on learning these things. So I'm going to play first stand. I love my hair, I love my crochets, I love my looks. Oh yeah, it's called twist. It's easy to maintain. It's washable, light on your hair. It brings no dandruff in your hair. Long lasting. I love my twist. Twist. Love my twist. Yeah. Twist. Love my twist. Yeah. I'm going to be using the soft kinky. As you can see, it's kinky, but I already made it soft, as you can see. So it's what I'm going to use for her. You know, like people that always say that kinky pains, but I want to show you more of the tricks on how you can plait using kinky, and you don't feel any pain at all. Because if I'm going to plait it on the baby, that means it doesn't pain at all. Anyway, I'm also trying to grow my hair. Don't try to laugh at me. I love my looks, oh yeah, it's called twist. It's easy to maintain. It's washable, light on your hair. It brings no dandruff in your hair. Long lasting. I love my twist. Twist. Love my twist, yeah. So, you see, when I'm done with the washing, you see how it looks. So, we are ready to plait. And I want to show you how you can plait a kid using kinky, because most people fear to use kinky. It is very, very nice when it comes to holding it with the natural hair. I told you, I like gel so much, because gel always help me to collect all the hair that is left. You can see it's always help me to collect all the hair that is out. So try to bend Chanel, bend down like that. I always separate it into 3 portion like this. I want you to see very, very careful, because this is going to help you when you're plaiting also your daughter. So when it comes to plait babies, you have to measure the kind of the size of the braid, because it shouldn't be very big, and it shouldn't be heavy for her, because since she's young. So you just have to measure so that it comes out nicely, and when it is light on her head. So this is the size that I'm going to do, and trust me, if you play the way I'm doing, someone is not going to feel pain at all. So you see how I do it. It's like this, then I just pull out this like this, and then I hold it this way. So Chanel, try to bend. You see these 3 portions, the one that is separated. I bring this up, and this down like this. Then I hold it this side. Then I bring my hair, I put it here, just like the very soft and slowly, so that you don't pain someone, just like that. Yeah, it just looks firm but not painful at all. So this is how you always plait these babies. So when you're done, you see how the gel did it for me. It's collecting all the things, as you can see. So here I just have to do my threes in a soft way, like this, and trust me, you will see it very nice, and you will also love it yourself. So this is the only way you can plait these kids and they don't feel pain at all. So I want to follow me so that we can do this together, and please don't forget to subscribe, because more videos are coming. I'll keep on teaching you on how you can do hair without pain. Yes, so this is how I do it, like this. So I told you that I'm going to try to measure the length and the how I want my braid to be. So you see, it is very flexible, and she's not. Are you feeling pain? Yeah, so this is how it is. So I'm going to keep on doing the same thing. Like, remember I told you, we just have to put the gel, and after putting the gel, try to roll it this way, and you do it something like it. So keep on rolling it.
I love my hair, I love my crotchets, I love my looks. Oh yeah, it's cold and twist. It's easy to maintain. It's washable, light on your head. It brings no dandruff in your hair. Long
We're still moving on. You see where I've reached, and I'm showing you how the gel. So on this part, you're seeing all this hair. I left it because I know it is baby hair, as you can see. So it's the same thing here. I won't hold all of this, so I can leave this knowing that it's her baby hair. So when I apply, try to do like this. When I apply my gel, yes, and I cut it here this way, because when the box format, they look very nice. Trust me, they look nice. So when I'm done here like this, so you're trying to see, the gel helps me a lot. It helps me a lot. So I cut in 3 portions, like the way I had showed you. Yeah, you make sure that they're all equal. They're all equal. Yes, so when I bring my braid, like I told you, like this, the same thing I do here, just like this. I try to put it this way. I told you, it doesn't pain at all. Doesn't pain at all. Just like this. You see? So this is the good way on how to start, like the good beginning when you're doing the box braid, the box kinky braids, just like this. So please, should not always forget the subscribe, because it does for me a lot.
I love my looks. Oh yeah, it's cold and twist. It's easy to maintain. It's washable, light on your head. It brings no dandruff in your hair. Long lasting. I love my shan twist. Shan twist. I love my shan twist.
Keep on plaiting this way. So when I reach at the end, we use a hook, and we hook it going up like this, so that we don't use the scissor down, that it can look very nice. Even if, or like when it grows, the way it can look like the real dreads, like when they grow. So the more they grow, so you see how we do it. So when you will do it like this, so that means after when it grows, I have a way of locking them after. So I can just come and do this, and I do what, I lock them. But for today I'm not going to lock them, so this is why I leave this. So I'm going to show you how these baby hair, the way we can do them and they look smart. So I just have get my brush plus my the same thing here. The baby gel, I told you the baby gel are very important, so it's not good to plate them. You just have to keep putting the gel every time. So this is our hair for the quarantine. For today, for subscribing to our YouTube channel, and please, this is what I was talking about. You see, there's no pain at all. So those people who have been fearing to play it kinky, just get no doubt, because this is very nice. So see you on the next video that I'll be showing you more of how you can play the kinky for these babies, and they stay for long, and when they love the hair. So say bye bye.